So back to, we've put all the spark plugs in. We've snugged them up hand tight. Then we're just going to put our ratchet on it, and you're going to give it a tight. There's a torque setting, but it's such a low torque setting. You can really just do it. But just you don't want to go crazy tight, because it's an aluminum block. So if you grip your hand closer to the head of it, you're not going to get as much torque, so you're also not going to over tighten it too much. But just want to make a good snug connection there. And what you're doing is you're smashing there was that washer on the bottom of the spark plug, and you're just you want to smash it, and that's how you get the good seal. And that's how you do it. You know, it's good snug. That good and snug, but not super tight. It's only like barely, maybe a 20 foot-pound. Is all you tighten it to. Now we're just going to go ahead and put our coil packs back in. We've done an inspection on looking at them, and check engine light didn't say that we had misfires. We just wanted to have some extra spark in it to make sure that's good to go. But we've gone ahead and looked at these. Don't see any outside tears, reasons why to replace them, and also the check engine code is not saying that we're having misfires on the cylinders. So you just push those in, and then we got our bolts here to put in, size 10. Just a good snug connection, not super crazy tight. We want some flexibility in there, but these bolts won't come back out. And then we're going to go ahead and hook these electrics back up. Unless there's been any additions, they should pretty much go to the same cylinders that they were designed to, and they'll fit in there. And we want to try to make sure you put them back in the right order with the length, so that they fire in the right order when they're running. Just push them in until they clip. It's all hooked up back together. Then we just go ahead and put the air cleaner box back on and put all those screws back in. So if you line up that one pin right here in the bottom, press it down. You can put this clamp back on over here, and then be able to line up all your bolts. So all the 1, 2, 3 bolts are all good and snug. You just go ahead and hook this, hook the electrical connector back up for the mass airflow sensor. Let's move this into place. Make sure it's all good and looks like everything lines up there. And then just tighten it up. Not super crazy tight there. And then we've got this hose to bring back up, and there's looks like a breather hose that we want to clip. So it looks like it's a transmission breather hose that just clips up here, gives it the right breather. Then you're going to want to make sure that you bring this back in. Use your pliers. Squeeze your clamp. Once it's in place, let it go. Make sure this is back, hooked it back into place where it needs to go. Then you can just go ahead and rehook up your battery and everything's good to go. So that's how you replace your spark plugs on a 2020 Mitsubishi Mirage. Thanks for watching.